to try new things here. However, what is not new is how we start our morning. Taking care of these two kitties. That's better. You know, do you want your things? What do you want, Chester? Do you want things too? Well, you're in luck. I already gave them the first thing, which is their gabapentin. Next, I heat up the water to make a little Restore-Lax for them with water. Because they're senior citizens, and like many senior citizens, they need a little help going to the number 2. This water isn't hot, just a bit warm, so it helps the Restore-Lax dissolve quicker. So I'll just set this here for now. Oh, vegans and other such cow lovers, please look away for this section because these kitties are obligate carnivores. I think it's healthy for them to get a little raw meat every day. I'm just checking that the Restore-Lax is all dissolved. Okay, we'll leave that for now. It's time for the cats to get some attention. Just high five. That's it for now. Pause up. Good boy. Good boy. High five. Come on, high five. Good boy. Chester, follow. After those dry treats, they need their hydration. Here, divide one of these. Riles, when he doesn't eat a lot, but Chester does. Otherwise, he won't drink it. He just doesn't love to drink water. This is for Riles. This is for Chester. You can hardly see the difference. This one has to poke out of the water. And Chester, you ready? This one for Chester. Come on, Riles. And one for Riles. This is when I sit on the couch with the kitties. Hopefully they will fall asleep. And I check Instagram. Chester needs his morning brushies. So he's ready. Hi. Trying to brush while holding the camera is a little bit different. I'm not sure that Chester appreciates the split attention. Yeah, he's already getting a little annoyed. He wants brushies, but he only wants a certain amount. Good boy. Okay, I think he's ready for his rest of his breakfast. Afterwards, he goes on this pillow and then naps beside me. And look who's here. In the afternoon, he always does that. I'll be, working here, and then he'll come over, scratch over there, and then usually he meows. Anyways, this is him letting me know that he needs attention. He probably needs some lunch and some playtime. Playtime first. All right. Let's go. I'm coming. He checks to see that I'm following him. All right, kitty. You deserve something for your troubles. Silly goose. Here, just have one. These aren't really treats. They're the dry kibble, his prescription kidney diet dry kibble. But I usually feed him wet, so these seem like a treat for him. Just your high five. Come on. High five. Good boy. High five. High five. Riles has not learned how to do high five, or he doesn't want to. We don't know which. If they want to perform the trick, they can. If they don't want to perform the trick, they don't have to. They will still get the treat. It's not the best way of training, perhaps, but they're senior citizens and they should be able to have their dignity and their treats. Okay, one more each, and then it's time for lunch. Sometimes Riles needs a little convincing. There you go. Good boy. Sometimes he also needs a little platform to help. Come on. Eat them. You want to go outside, huh? Okay. That's where you're going. Okay, come on. Oh. Just in case it's cold. Good sweetie. Put your scarf on. You do not care, huh? You just don't care one bit. You just don't give a. There you go. Good boy. Come on. There. Oh, good boy. Now he's happy to eat his food. Just needed a little outdoor adventure.